Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the BERGVATTNET, which is an IKEA part of their bathroom series, and it is the shower water meter specifically. So we installed it a couple of months ago. It's on clearance now. It's only a limited edition. I bought it for €39 and now it's down to €29 here in Ireland. I don't think that's the case in other markets. I was looking at the IKEA UK website, so that doesn't seem to be on clearance, but in Ireland, limited run. So let's have a look around the different features of it and why you might consider going something like this for your house, just with water usage and heating water and how expensive it can get, understanding how long you're taking or your family members are taking in the shower, but also the gamification of it, etc., etc. Let's have a look. So as mentioned, the BERGVATTNET is a series of water-themed bathroom accessory, and the one that we bought was the water shower. There's also a water diverter that you can put into it, and while you're waiting for the shower to heat up, it'll actually divert water into kind of a bucket on the corner. I'll put a picture up here on the screen. And then until the cold water comes out of it. But this is designed by Marcus Arvonen. So thank you, Marcus. The inner body is a polyamide plastic and the shell is an ABS plastic. It takes two AA batteries. I've got the IKEA rechargeable ones and they just sit into the side socket there. And you can mount this a couple of different ways. We've got it mounted on the shower head, the movable one, not the rain shower bit. You can mount it further up. You could mount it here and then both would work on it. But we've mounted it because we just use the smaller shower head when we're in the shower. So let me pull down the shower head so I don't get more soaked showing you this. And it does three different things. When you turn it on, the first thing it does is it will look at the temperature. And it will show you the temperature until it's set at the temperature. The screen isn't, there's the amount of water used. And then the time the water is running. And then we're going to go back to amount of water used. And so it doesn't show the temperature when the temperature is set. So that temperature set. So if I change the temperature on this down or up, you can see it's gone down, it's gone back up. And so the temperature, once the temperature stabilizes, it stays on that temperature. And then it just shows you how many liters you've used and how long you've been in the shower for, and that just rotates through. Now, you can turn it off. It'll flash a couple of more times, and then it'll kind of go into a sleep mode for up to 2 minutes, where it'll store, so that's not moving anymore. It stopped at 45 seconds, and that 2.7 liters has stopped because the shower is no longer running. It'll keep rotating through that until you turn the water back on again, and then it shows you increase. Temperature goes back up again because it has to restabilize, and then your literage and your time. And so just a really smart way of, don't want to be wasting a load of water here, tracking your usage. It's not connected to anything, it just displays it. It'd be great if it connected to Home Assistant or something like that, and if there is a Home Assistant equivalent out there, let me know. But we found it really good in the house for something that would track. I saw it and I was like, that sounds interesting. And then I was saying to Patricia, my partner, now fiance, and she was like, oh, rolling her eyes, because we are not putting this into the shower. But she's found that she's adjusted the temperature, is watching the usage, is watching the time. It's gone into sleep mode there now again. If I turn it back on, it will remember where we were, what we were doing. So that is the BERGVATTNET water meter. As mentioned, it's on limited clearance in the IKEA in Dublin, but in other markets, not the case. It's around about €29 in Dublin. I think it's about £35 in the UK. And hopefully you've enjoyed that quick look through. It's something that will make you smarter, not necessarily a smarter home, but you'll be smarter in your home. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, jump into the comments and let me know. And remember to follow Smart Home Tested for the Smart Life Simplified.